Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Sezzle in store, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, head over to Sezzle and then you're going to go to settings where it says enable Sezzle virtual card. So you're going to click on start. After that, what we're going to do is click on generate so that it generates the test card for us. And then you have to basically copy the card details and paste it in your notepad or wherever you can. After that, what you're going to do is add a location, in-store location. So you're going to put in your country, your address, suit, city and everything, and then click on submit. From there, it's going to say that you need to run a test transactions. So you're going to click on see instructions to do that. So you need to either have Apple Pay or Google Pay, or you need to set up with already a manual card that you have. Let's say you go with either of these, and if you decide to go with Apple Pay or Google Pay, it's going to say set up with Apple Pay. You're going to click on this one, and then if you want to do it with Google Pay, you're going to click on add with Google Pay, and then you're going to follow the instructions. Same thing with a manual card entry, and once you've added it, you're going to click on continue to connect the test transactions. And then what you're going to do is you'll see here it says one pending test transaction, so you're going to click on connect right over here, and then it's going to ask you to like add the location where this payment terminal will be presented. So make sure you put in the location of that place and then click on connect. After that, it's going to say it's connected, so you're going to click on close, and then it will say pending until someone from Sezzle reviews it, and after they have reviewed and everything, it's going to say active over here, and also to add any other location after active, you can click on add location, and basically you can add multiple stores. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.